Every time you pick up your phone without even thinking, your brain is running a program it doesn't even know it's running. Today, I'm going to show you how to break that pattern and stop this smartphone addiction. You've probably noticed you sit down to get some work done and 5 minutes later, your phone is already in your hand. You don't even know why. It's not because you're weak. It's just a system in your brain that keeps pulling you into this digital trap. There's this chemical in your brain called dopamine. Most people think it's about pleasure, but it's actually about anticipation. Your brain releases it before you even see a notification, just for the chance that something new is there. We call this the dopamine loop. It's actually a concept called variable reward. It's the same reason people get hooked on slot machines. You don't know if the next scroll will be something cool or nothing at all, and that uncertainty is what keeps you hooked. This isn't an accident. It's a psychological hack that app designers use on purpose. The problem is, every time you fall for this loop, you lose your ability to do deep work. Your brain gets used to instant gratification, making it harder to focus on things that actually matter. So, how do you beat this digital addiction? Here are 4 practical steps. 1. Dopamine detox. Pick a specific time, like the first hour of your day, to be completely phone-free. It teaches your brain that it's okay to be bored and that you don't need constant stimulation. 2. Add some friction. Put your phone out of reach, maybe in another room or a drawer. That extra effort to go get it gives your brain enough time to stop and think. This is how you boost your focus level. 3. Notification audit. Turn off notifications for almost every app, except the absolute essentials. Every ping is just a trap for your attention, and most of them aren't worth it. 4. Replacement habit. When you feel that itch to scroll, have a backup plan. Grab a glass of water or just stretch for a minute. It's much easier to replace a habit than to just try and stop it. Here's how this looks in a normal day. Instead of scrolling the second you wake up, keep your phone in another room for the first hour. That's when you get your most important work done. 0 distractions. During work, set a focus block for 30 to 50 minutes with no notifications. If you feel like checking your phone, just take a quick walk. You'll see that the urge usually goes away in a minute. And at night, keep the phone away from your bed. It'll improve your sleep hygiene and make you way more focused the next day. Your brain isn't broken, it's just being targeted by a system that knows how to exploit your habits. But now you know how this brain hacking works. Start small today, turn off those notifications, or put your phone away for an hour. If this helped, hit subscribe. In the next video, I'll show you how to put this all together into an ideal daily routine.